You're in there.
Go, Jake.
Huh?
Go with the ducks.
Oh, I hit you through there.
He said, hey,
Okay, I have to guess now where
You want any grapes?
got any grapes?
Butter. I'll be the man. No, we
think
don't
I'm
have
failing
any. I
epically.
told you yesterday.
Well, I don't care. Can I have some grapes?
You're hitting me, but I'm not hitting you.
I told you yesterday. We don't have any grapes. We only have some lemonade.
If you look in the side of the house,
To the lemonade store.
like, it has so many holes.
To the man. Do you have any grapes? I told you I don't have any yesterday. We only have watermelon. Forgot what it's called. I'm gonna do something different. I have some watermelon. Dun, dun, dun. Do you want some watermelon? He said no. And Jake.